Good morning, this Tuesday, the 28th of October. I'm Max Lacerto, a market analyst with Bell Direct. US stocks saw a record-breaking session overnight, with all three major indexes closing at new all-time highs, off the back of cooling US-China trade tensions and optimism over a trade deal later this week. The S&P 500 advanced 1.23%, the Nasdaq rallied 1.86%, largely bolstered by strong gains for Nvidia and other chip stocks, while the Dow Jones jumped 0.71%. Similarly, Asian markets saw a large jump, led by a 1.19% increase for China's CSI index and a 2.46% jump for Japan's Nikkei. Europe also saw gains, but to a lesser extent. The Stock 600 advanced 0.22%, Germany's DAX advanced 0.28%, the French CAC saw a 0.16% jump, while the FTSE closed 0.09% higher. Locally yesterday, the ASX 200 advanced 0.41%. Despite 8 of the 11 key sectors in the green, it was slightly weighed down by a 0.63% drop in the healthcare index. It was a tough session too for rare earth miners, off the back of optimism that the US and China will come to an agreement to resume normalised rare earth trades, cooling off some of the building steam in the sector. As a result, we saw Iluka Resources drop 6.87%, while Arafura Rare Earths dropped nearly 10%. In commodities, gold has continued its recent retreat, down another 3.18% to $3,981 per ounce, meaning it is now down nearly 9% over the last week. Crude oil is trading flat at $61.5 per barrel, while iron ore is up 0.15% to $105.57 per ton. Now, despite the strong gains in the US overnight, the ASX 200 is actually expected to fall at the open, with the SPY futures indicating a 0.43% drop this morning. And finally, let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has maintained its buy rating on Bega Cheese with a 12-month price target of $7 per share. At the current closing price of $5.34 per share, that implies a 24% share price growth over the next year, based on current earnings estimates and guidance. And Trading Central have identified a bullish signal in Karoon Energy, indicating that the share price may rise from the close of $1.63 per share to the range of $2.10 to $2.25 per share over a period of 41 days. That's according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that is all for today. Have a wonderful Tuesday, and as always, happy investing.